Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. Hear me roar. Roar. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I love saying things. I love making videos, and I'm so glad that you are here with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. It really is so valuable and helpful to my channel. Today, we are unboxing my Boxycharm base box. My premium was good. I'm wearing 4 things from my premium. It's a blush, a contour, eyeshadow, and a lipstick, all from my Boxy Premium. And it was really turned out really well. And I actually liked all the palettes. They were all very pigmented and good quality. Speaking of which, we've got a base box. I'm so mad. They did this in the premium box too. This card is worth $0.00 to me. It says treat your heart out, but it doesn't tell me a damn thing about what's in the box or how much it's worth, which pisses me off because I like to know I'm getting my value for my money, and that sucks dick. So that's what I say about that. So it says they've got some exciting news coming. I want to know what this is worth. And I don't know. So we'll just have to be grateful for what we have. The box is about $29.99 or something with shipping. And we'll just go over what we've got without explanation, without denomination. I know I'm disappointed, but I'll get over it. I've got some cool stuff here. This is from Refreshments, which is a company that is owned by Boxycharm and Ipsy, which are owned by the same people. And Refreshments is kind of like body wash and razors and shaving cream and exfoliators and lotions and stuff. And this is a Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. And I am a huge body wash fan. I can't wait to smell what this smells like. It's got a little thing on it, but I'm going to open it because I'm keeping it. I'm keeping my baby. That smells really good. It smells kind of warm and citrusy and delightful. This will go in my shower very soon because I go through some shower gel. Girl, I go through some shower gel because I like to bathe. What? And this is from Rare Beauty. I believe I chose this. This is Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation from Rare Beauty in 110 Neutral. Let's hope that it matches. We'll find out very soon. Let me get a tissue to wipe off the residue. Beautiful component. It's super cute. And I've gotten a lot of foundations from Ipsy and Boxycharm in the last 12 months. One of them I just threw straight away last month. That looks nice and pale. I am nice and pale. And let's see if it blends in at all. Put a lot on there. That looks pretty good. Now, how it wears will be a different story altogether. But that is nice, and it feels lightweight, and I love the box. I mean, I love the component. The box is fine. It's just a paper box. But it says, you are rare. I am rare, and I like Selena Gomez. I watched a Selena Gomez documentary of her life on Apple TV, and it was really good. And I really appreciate her as a human, and she goes through a lot. So, our first 2 things are foundation and shower gel, which is pretty good. And this is Clean AF from Lawless. Forget the filler. Lip plumping. I don't do that shit. I don't do lip plumping gloss. I don't do gloss. I just decluttered a bazillion glosses and pencils. So this will go to a friend. And it just looks like it's a nice clear color. It says plumping, smoothing, nourishing. It's just clear. Little pink tone to it. So that's all right. That'll be good for a friend. let's see what else we have. We have Give Them La La Beauty. It says give them la la, give them la la. It says booty call, but it doesn't say anything else about this except ingredients. La la Hydromat, so maybe it's a lipstick. And matte lipsticks and lip glosses I don't like together. This looks like real similar to what I'm wearing right now. Louie, you crazy cat. I got a cat on my desk. Indistinguishable from the color that I've got on. Well, maybe the Give Him La La lipstick will be good. And it's Booty Call. That's what color Booty Call is, y'all. Booty call, booty poppin', booty poppin', booty, booty, booty poppin'. Then we have last but not least, and it's really funny. It's not funny. I figured it out. In my Allure box, I got a Beauty Bakery palette. It's the right bun or something, or choose the right bun. And then I've got another Beauty Bakery palette here in my Boxycharm. And the reason why they are probably in the box this month is that they're Black owned businesses. And this is Black History Month. So very cool. And I used the Chosen Bun palette. I used it and it was good. I made a video with it. And they've done another pudding themed palette before. But this is banana pudding. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how similar it is. It's very similar. They could be cousins. Identical cousins. There, look. These palettes will work great together. There's a little more lightness over here in the banana pudding than the Chosen Bun. But that's cool. And I know that these palettes are $38. So I know that for a fact. So that's kind of cool. It's a sister palette because it's in the same company. And it looks like this is going to make a really pretty look too. So Beauty Bakery stuff is nice. It's nice stuff. And so for $38, because I know that's what the palettes cost, that makes the price of the box right there worthwhile. So, okay. Even though I didn't get my beloved card, we've got the Beauty Bakery palette, we've got a liquid lipstick, we've got a lip gloss, and it's in Rosy Outlook. I didn't care about the name. I got a foundation and I got a pearly body wash, and it is a good box. Yeah, I like it. So good job, Boxycharm. Even though you didn't tell me what it's worth, I'm still okay with it. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.